Buenos dias, everybody. It's day number 6. I'm still in Barcelona. It's my last day in Barcelona. So, uh, this is my El Gato de Botero. So, no, yeah, that's the name. It's the cat. It's the big cat in Barcelona. So, this is my friend this morning. Hey, so this morning I have my my last scheduled activity. It will be the Palace of Güell. It's in the old Barcelona near my hotel. So I'm going there this morning, and after that I will be freestyle for my last day. It could be the Cathedral of Barcelona. We'll see. We'll go in that area. The first day I went and I didn't finish because I was too tired. But anyway, this is Friday. We'll talk to you later. I'm still with my cat. All right, bye. Hey, hello everybody. I'm right front of the Palace of Güell, downtown Barcelona. So Guell, remember 2 days ago, Park Güell. So it's the same guy, rich guy, and also he was involved in politics and stuff, and he was, I think, a minister or something like that. So anyway, he wanted a mansion or a palace, something in downtown Barcelona to entertain his friends and people and government. So he called Gaudi in they start in 1886, so it's one of the first realization of Gaudi. He was young, and so it's one of his first project. So Guell called him to create that mansion, that palace. So Guell was living here with his maids and his wife, and also 10 kids. So we're supposed to see that mansion, and also many rooms where he was making his parties. So I will tell you later my takes about that. All right, talk to you later. Hey guys, I did it again. So this time I gave you the picture first before to give you my takes. So concerning the apartment and everything, I would say that it's between my three casa that Gandhi designed. I would say this is number 2. It's number 1 is still Batlow for apartment, more craziness. For this one is more lavish, so it's more like a palace. So it's more for aristocrat and more finished and beautiful, like you said. And but I didn't take a lot of picture also because it's crowded. A lot of people step on the toes of everybody, and the design to go from one room in another one is not fluid, so many people sometimes stay the same place. You cannot move, but in general I would say it's my second best apartment. For the roof, I would say also number 2. Number 1 is still, it would be Casa Mila for the roof. This one is beautiful. So you saw the picture. We said number 2. And number 3 was Batlo for the roof. And that's it. Yeah, put on your list if you come in Barcelona. It's worth it to look at it. And now it's lunchtime and I'm starving. You know me, I need to eat. So, all right, talk to you later. Bye. Hola, everybody. So I'm at the Barcelona Cathedral. So I had my little power nap, my lunch. I'm in good shape. So let's visit the cathedral. It's a 1400 Gothic and neo-Gothic front and Gothic inside cathedral with 28 chapels, attic, and also I pay for the tower. So let's check this out. All right, talk to you later. Hola, I did again. So visit the cathedral, the Barcelona Cathedral. It's a cathedral, right? So the 28 chapels, you saw that in the pictures. I picked a few of those, take some pictures. It's not an attic, but it's a crypt. So just under the central piece, you have a crypt. I took a picture of that and went upstairs. It's a beautiful view of Barcelona, so it's worth it, and it's cheap. So it's like with the tower and everything, it's like 11 euros. So it's not a big expense. It's nice, and sometime if you want to take a break of the sun and relax, it's the good place to do it. So it's a plus. It was fun to finish the trip like that. So I'm keep going freestyle a little bit. We'll talk later. All right, bye. I'm here in the old Gothic, the oldest area of Barcelona, and they have temple from the Roman 100 years before Jesus Christ. So it's the oldest thing in Barcelona. It's the Temple of Augustus. Very impressive. This is Plaza del Real, just behind the cathedral that you can see right on the top here. And you have a palace, and it's close to the Elborn neighborhood. It's very cool, refreshing also, like a fresh breeze running through the plaza. Right. Hola, everybody. Hey, um, this is my freestyle. I in the Elborn neighborhood. I'm telling you, it's like a maze. Make sure you have your Google map because it's a you can get lost very easy, and I'm kind of lost. But anyway, I found a bar with tapas, and that will conclude my journey in Barcelona. Tomorrow I'm flying to Granada. So the take about the Barcelona, it's amazing. It's really, we can say it's Gaudi city, and the food is great. I got tapas, I got Indian food, I got Istanbul food, so you can try different country. It's amazing. So all right, so I will leave you like that. Taking my sangria and some tapas and make my way back home to the hotel to get ready for my flight tomorrow morning. All right, so we'll see each other in Granada. Bye guys. Thanks for Barcelona. It was great.